What's up, guys? I hope that you are having an awesome day today. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please take a moment and subscribe. I do weekly videos where I share vegan recipes and also healthy, natural lifestyle tips. So I would love to have you as a subscriber. So today we're gonna be making a creamy carrot bisque. And this might look like a lot of ingredients for me compared to some of my other videos, but it's really not compared to what traditionally goes into a lot of soup. And soup is one of my favorite things to make, especially in the wintertime, because it's easy to digest. You can get a lot of really good stuff in there, and it's fun because you can just do so many different types of soup. So I recently made this soup for my friend's collective, where they deliver food, or women come who have just recently given birth, and they come and pick up nourishing whole food to help them breastfeeding and everything after they've just recently given birth. So this was one of the recipes that I made up. It's a slightly modified version because we have some local ingredients here that I'm not going to be using. But anyway, it's a really awesome, hearty, delicious soup. Everything is basically going to be going in the blender, and we're going to blend it up, make it nice and creamy. We're going to heat it up, and then we're just gonna eat it. So let's take a look at our ingredients that we're gonna be working with here. So we've got carrots, and I originally started out with 6 cups of chopped carrots, and then I steamed them, so it looks like a little bit less. It's kind of brought them down a little bit, but these were just a rough chop, and you wanna just steam them until they're nice and soft. Now, this was originally 2 cups of chopped celery, and then I cooked it in a pan with no oil. If you've never cooked with no oil before, it's very easy. You just cook on a very low heat in a nonstick pan. I have a ceramic pan that I cook in, and I did the same thing for the onion. So I started off with 2 cups of chopped celery, and then 1 cup of chopped onion, and I cooked them both in the pan with no oil. And then we've got a half a cup of coconut butter here. So this is gonna make it nice and creamy. It's gonna give it a nice coconut carrot flavor. And then we also have almond butter here. And you wanna make sure that you don't use more than the 1/4 cup of almond butter, because it will taste a little bit too almondy. And I figured that out in my experimentation, but this is a perfect amount of almond butter. So if your name is Joey B, make sure that you measure this. And you know, it might seem weird to put almond butter into a soup, but a lot of people like to use almond milk and different nut milks. So this is basically the same thing. We're just adding water and blending. And so it's gonna work out. It'll be good. So we've also got some garlic here. I have a teaspoon of garlic, and then I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I have a little piece of fresh turmeric here. You can throw a little bit of fresh ginger in there if you'd like as well. I have 2 tablespoons of ACV, apple cider vinegar. I've got 2 tablespoons of agave. You can also use maple syrup. That goes really well. I just happened to run out of maple syrup. And then we've got I think this was a half teaspoon of black pepper. And you want to also keep about 1.5 to 2 cups of water handy for blending. So we're going to go ahead and put everything into our Vitamix. If you don't have a Vitamix and you want to get one, there's a link below to get free shipping. Yay! So we're going to carefully, strategically get all of these carrots in here. I bet I can get all of them in without dropping them on the floor. Smells really good already. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the water to the 2 cup line on here, which is probably, yeah, just about 1.5 cups. And we're gonna blend. Okay, I think it's creamy enough. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it into our pot. And when you blend, things get like a little bit aerated, so they're fluffier. And then when you heat it up, it's gonna take out that fluffiness. So I just heated it on the stove for about 10 minutes until it was nice and warm. Helps to bring some of the bubbles out and make it less fluffy and more creamy. So who is excited to try this creamy carrot bisque? Looks a little bit hot, gotta cool it off. It's so like warm and buttery and carroty, creamy. Oh my gosh. Wow. You guys gotta try this. Wow. You can just like barely taste the turmeric in there, but it's so perfect and it's making it extra vibrant. Incredible. You guys have to try this. I really wish that I could share this soup with you guys. So you better make it and let me know if you like this. And if you guys like this recipe, if you want to get more like it, you can check out my books at meganelizabeth.com/books. My newest book is called What Vegans Eat, and it has awesome, simple cooked vegan recipes just like this one. And I also have my older raw food recipes at meganelizabeth.com/books. So I hope that you guys check out those books and also make this recipe. Let me know if you like it. And also comment down below, let me know what other recipes you would like for me to make or veganize. I love making vegan versions of comfort food. So comment down below, click like, share the video with your vegan friends, and follow me on Instagram to see what I'm up to, what I'm making, and check out my Instagram stories. Megan Elizabeth Hawaii. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.